Welcome to the Spend Wise Moms, your homemaking resource hub. Today we're going to show you how to make hummus. It is so easy to make, and the thing I like about doing it yourself is that you can use the spices you want and make it just exactly how you want. You can make it plain, you can put olive oil on it, you can add lamb if you want, but you can make it just the way you want, and I really like that about it. To start with, we are going to cut the lemons and squeeze them. So we'll have the lemon juice. You use 2 lemons. I will leave a recipe link in the description box below. After the lemons are squeezed, you're going to just put the juice into the food processor. And then you're going to put the garbanzo beans in. These are garbanzo beans that you have drained and rinsed. And then you're going to add 1/3 cup of tahini. Tahini is a sesame seed paste. And these are the 3 ingredients that really make hummus. Other than that, you're just going to be adding spices. Now, if you find that your tahini is really thick and then there's kind of oily stuff on top, just mix it really well. Here I'm adding salt and pepper. And I also like adding parsley sometimes. Each time I make it, it's different depending on what I feel like putting in it that day. I have both onion and garlic powder there, but I'm just going to use garlic powder today. I don't feel like doing the onion powder. And I really enjoy putting Tony Chachere's Cajun seasoning in it because we like the flavor of it. It adds a little red pepper in there as well. Then you're going to put the top on the food processor and just process it until it is smooth. Then take the top off and take out your hummus. Put it on a plate or in a bowl or in a container if you're not going to be eating it right away. And then I always sprinkle paprika on top. We have company, so I'm putting some ground up lamb that I've already cooked and then adding some olive oil. You can eat that with pita bread, with crackers, with vegetables, whatever you choose. There it is, simple and easy. Thanks for watching the Spend Wise Moms. If you like this video, please subscribe.